Hi, welcome back to BioRace. Today we're going to be going over the topic of cell division, which is in topic 1, cell biology, and this is required for GCSE Biology and Combined Science Higher and Foundation courses. So, by the end of this video, you should be able to explain what chromosomes are and why they always come in pairs. You should be able to describe the 3 key stages cells undergo in order to divide, and you should be able to explain the process of mitosis and why your body relies on cell division for growth and repair. That's the end of the foundation tier knowledge. If you're a higher tier, you should be able to perform calculations to work out the exact time spent in any stage of cell division by the end of this video too. So first of all, what are chromosomes? Well, chromosomes are found inside the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, that is animal and plant cells. They consist of tightly coiled DNA molecules. They carry a large number of genes which define your characteristics, and they are found in pairs in body cells, and there is 23 pairs in total for humans. Right, so here's the cell cycle. There's 3 key stages that you need to know. Stage 1 is growth and replication, stage 2 is mitosis, and stage 3 is division. Stage 1 consists of the cell growing, increasing the subcellular structures, ribosomes, mitochondria, and replicating its DNA. Stage 2 is when the one set of chromosomes is pulled to each end of the cell, and then the nucleus divides. So that's your genetic information being passed on to the daughter cells. And stage 3 is the cytoplasm and cell membranes dividing and the eventual forming of 2 genetically identical cells. That is important because meiosis does not form 2 genetically identical cells, so you need to remember that for mitosis. Right, if you're a foundation tier, that is the conclusion of this video for you, so you can go and look for another one, or that's all you need to know for this topic. If you're a higher tier, you need to continue watching this video because I'm going to explain how you calculate the cell cycle in minutes. So the formula provided is above. As you can see, the time in stage equals cells in stage divided by total cells observed, multiplied by the total time of cycle. We will work through the first question together, and then I will provide the second one for you to work through on your own. A tissue sample has 400 cells total. 40 cells are in mitosis. 1 full cycle takes 15 hours. Calculate how long mitosis takes in minutes. So, first of all, we know that 40 cells are in mitosis, but there's a total of 400 cells on this tissue sample. So 40 divided by 400 will give you 0.1. Now we need to convert that 15 hours to minutes. So 15 times by 60 will give us 900 minutes. Now we need to find out how long mitosis takes in minutes. Now we have 0.1 for the division we did in step 1, and we need to multiply that by 900, which will give us 90 minutes. So the answer for that would be 90 minutes. Now, question 2, which is the one you're going to try on your own, then we'll go through it. A tissue sample has 250 cells total. 20 cells are in mitosis, and 1 full cycle takes 12 hours. Calculate how long mitosis takes in minutes. Pause the video now and answer this question. Right, so I hope this question has been answered, and we'll mark it now. So step 1, there's 20 cells in mitosis, so we need to divide that by 250, which is the total amount. That will give us 0.08, and we need to convert 12 hours into minutes. So 12 times 60 is 720, so 720 minutes. And lastly, we need to multiply 0.08 by 720, which will give us 57.6 minutes. Now, as I did not ask you to round it to 1 decimal place or 1 significant figure or the nearest minute, that response is fine because that is accurate. If they had asked you to round it, you'd have rounded up to the nearest minute most likely, which will give you 58 minutes. But I did not, so that is fine. You need to leave it in that decimal form unless the question states otherwise. So thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you understand the cell cycle and calculate the cell cycle accurately. And I hope to catch you in a future video soon.